So I was just talking, 1966, the Mamas and Papas released the song Monday, Monday. I know you remember it. Here's the weird thing. It was their only #1 hit in the U.S. That's right. California Dreamin' only peaked at #4. My next guest says he has a Monday that will top the charts in 2026. I want to bring on Tigress Financial and Partners, CIO, Ivan Feinseth. And before we talk about that and the other stock picks, let's talk about big picture stuff right now, because you're looking at this market for next year, and you've got a pretty strong target on it. But this year, coming into this year, you were looking at 7,000. And I'm curious because in the beginning of the year, the wheels fell off. Everyone on the street lowered their target. What did you do?
I thought in April, when the market sold off on concerns that CapEx in AI was being pulled back, I said it was a buying opportunity. Companies were still committing more and more money, and it turned out to be the right call. And I think that the momentum is going to continue and then accelerate next year. We got the momentum of the big, beautiful bill, which will put more money in people's pockets to spend and invest.
Right.
It will allow companies to accelerate depreciation, so you will see capital investment continue. And we got the markets up with momentum. And I still say that the AI trade is in the beginning of the first or second inning of a long game.
So your 2026 target, you've got these things again, the big, beautiful bill, adding a little oomph. 79.50, a cute target. Yeah. You could have said $8,000, 8,000. But I also like the fact that you like good old-fashioned accelerated revenue growth, accelerated earnings growth, right? We know lower rates help. We know lower oil makes it easier for the consumer. The AI boom has gone on. But these are basic things, right, when it comes to investing.
But it's all about, look what Buffett will tell you. It's all about basic things, being patient, buying good companies that have tremendous franchise value and the ability to make money.
All right, so now let's talk about the biggest risk out there. You say it's just one word, Putin.
Yes, it's geopolitical risk because, this war has gone on. It has been a drain globally, and Putin he seems stubborn. And it's really sad when we have so much going on in the world.
What if it does end, though? Let's say in the next couple of months there's some sort of major ceasefire deal, and it turns out that may be the end of it. That would be huge, wouldn't it? I mean,
you would see unwinding of a lot of hedges. You would see oil prices come down a lot,
right.
Which is also, so I think it would be very bullish for the market because it removes this major cloud of uncertainty.
All right, so now let's talk about some picks here. Boeing is a name you like. Listen, there were years ago I had this when I told people never sell. 4 stocks, you never sell them. Boeing was one of them. And then they had those 2 accidents. I thought they had a very cavalier approach to this. I thought it was cold-hearted. And then they had other mistakes. But they have a new CEO in there. Obviously, you think this is the turning point.
They have turned. They're ramping up production of the 737 MAX, and there is still a global shortage of planes.
Right.
There's huge demand for planes. Plus, you got an aerospace component, you got a defense component, you got a cybersecurity component, you got a satellite and communications component. So you got a lot going on here.
You like Garmin Communication? Again, this is a name years ago. It was hot. I kind of lost track of it. I thought they went out of business, but obviously they haven't. What do you like about it here?
Smart wearables. One of RFK Jr.'s initiatives in his Make America Healthy is that he envisions everybody wearing a smart wearable on your wrist to monitor your health stats.
Right.
And Garmin has a massive database of all of this health data that creates these baselines to measure trends against.
So we, last but not least, I teased Monday. Monday.com, it's a name that I've played before. I don't know that a lot of people have heard of it.
It's similar to MongoDB, which has been one of my favorites, but this is a way for small businesses to implement AI to analyze their data and manage their database. It's a hosted database company with tremendous AI tools.
Pretty volatile, though. You say maybe be careful of the volatility.
I say enjoy the volatility, creates an opportunity.
Great stuff this year, Ivan.
Thank you. Happy New Year.
Happy New Year.